Hello everyone. Imagine language learning as a journey, and I believe you encounter each and every factor through this journey, whether it is learning vocabulary, reading books, or focusing on grammar rules. Do you know, guys, what really propels you toward, what truly transforms you into a fluent English speaker? It is conversation. In conversation, you have to put theory into practice. It is a real life platform where you try to keep your conversation going without getting stuck or let others avoid embarrassment. Does it really easy to speak in other language which is not your native language? It's not so simple, guys. If you want to speak and ask questions, then and you don't have the exact words and phrases all the time, then you should have the ability to keep the conversation going. And if you stay with me until I say you goodbye, you will learn different abilities to solve this problem and you will listen a live conversation between two people. Hey guys, this is your friend and host Elias and welcome back to my channel where I explore and you acquire. And for my regular viewers, thank you so much for your support and your unwavering commitment for watching all my videos continuously. And for those who are watching this video for the very first time, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon and turn on notifications so that you never miss any updates. In today's lesson, you will learn different phrases to start a small talk and how you can manage your conversation without getting stuck. So guys, let's get started. It's very obvious that whenever you think of having a conversation with someone, you fear stepping forward and initiating a chat because you are confused about how to begin, what to say, and what would be the other person's response if anything goes wrong. And this uncertainty can prevent you from taking initiative to engage in conversation. Guys, conversation is indeed natural and spontaneous. It depends on the context of interaction between two or more individuals. It's true, guys. You cannot predict the topic, what will be the topic during conversation. But do you know, guys, an interesting factor? If you prepare yourself in advance and learn the different ways of asking and responding, you are less likely to be perceived as boring or reluctant conversationalist. And this is the reason, guys, I have categorized personal conversation into three different stages. And if you learn these three different stages, I can assure you that you will be able to communicate effectively and you can continue your speaking smoothly. So, guys, let's discuss these three different stages in this lesson. Introduction stage. This is the very first stage of conversation. This stage sets the foundation of the conversation. Begin with simple greetings like hi there, how are you? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hi there, what's your name? Where are you from? The person can reply like this: Hi, my name is Ilyas and I am from India. Guys, I have selected a male person to have a conversation with because you can understand easily. If I use different characters, male, female, then you will be confused. Now you can politely ask him about his profession, whether he is a student or is he running a business, is he a serviceman, in different ways, like how's it going, how is going everything, what are you doing in your life, what do you do for a living, what's been happening on your end. Now you can Relate yourself with his answers and try to build more sentences based on his responses. Try to appreciate his work, his place of living, because if you give him compliment, then he will have a clear and good picture of yours in his mind. Then he can respond to you, he can engage with your conversation like this. Hey, whatever you are doing, I appreciate you. The place or the country you belong to is a very good country. Now you try to build more sentences as much as you can. Look, you can speak more formally with the individuals you don't know, or the strangers, or the person who is older than you, but you can speak casually, the person like your friend or the person who belong to your own age group. Remember one thing, guys, you have to speak as much as you can in the first stage and ask the simple questions to him, because over here you are learning, you are practicing your conversation skills. But remember one thing, guys, if you find like the person whom you're talking to is getting bored, then you have to move to the next stage of the conversation. Purposeful communication stage. In this stage, build your conversation on main topic or purpose. It could be asking questions, sharing information, seeking advice, or discussing specific topics of interest. Suppose you're calling someone to get a knowledge how to improve your conversation skills. Ask him how much time does he spend in his daily life to improve his communication skill. You can ask questions like this: how much time do you spend in your learning English journey every day? What are the techniques and strategies do you find helpful in your learning journey? What are the best thing or best recommendation or advice you can give me so that I can follow all those instructions and improve my communication skill as well? Now, remember one thing, guys, interesting conversation can only be upgraded by your listening power. If you understand others very well, then your conversation would be engaging. But if you don't understand others properly, then your conversation won't be engaging. So you have to make your listening power very strong. How you can improve your listening power? You can simply listen different English speaker with different accent. Guys, I've made a class on listening power, how you can improve your listening power with different strategies. Feel free to watch this video and let's move on to next stage. Deepening the conversation stage. If you have reached in this stage of conversation, you should be proud of yourself because you are continuously speaking more than 5 to 10 minutes in English. In this stage, you have to dive deep into the conversation. This could ask a question, this could be asking question or providing additional information or sharing your personal experience or insights like what do you think your life is supposed to be? What is your ambition? Are you married? What kind of country you are? Which kind of company you are working in? This is a bit challenging stage because here your vocabulary power should be strong because you don't know what is the speaker's vocabulary strength is. He can ask you with more difficult words and phrases. Remember one thing, guys, if you don't know the word which he is saying, you should focus on the word which you know well, and you should concentrate on the concept of the context of the speakers asking and replying things or stuffs. You have to remember one thing over here, right? Focus, like ask the question like which requires more than yes or no answer. The speaker cannot reply yes or no. You should reply more than that. You should reply in a sentence, in a phrase. You can ask like, what is your ambition in your life? Where do you think your life is headed? You can ask him about the interest of politics. Do you have any interest on politics? Can you comment on it? You cannot force him, guys, because he might be thinking that you are an agent of some political party. So, guys, in this stage, you have to prepare yourself much more strong because you don't know which kind of question you are asked, and you have to reply very interestingly and impressively. These were the three stages, guys. Now, let's move on to our conversation class. Here, you will listen a live conversation between two people. Hello, brother. What's your name and where are you from? Hey there, my name is Mohammed and I am from West Bengal. What about you? This is Ilyas and I am from Kolkata. Hey, we both are from the same state. Yes. Can you tell me what do you do for a living? Nothing much, just running a small business and creating content about English fluency because this is my passion. Do you get paid for making content? No, not right now. I'm able to do this because I love to do it. But in reality, it's very hard to find time. But if you guys support my channel, it would definitely help my channel to grow. Now tell me what's been happening on your end. Nothing much happening in my life too. By the way, don't ask me this stupid question. I'm the same guy who you are. Okay, sorry bro. Where do you think your life is headed? I believe it's all part of God Almighty's plan. I'm committed to working hard and dedicating every second to my endeavors, and I trust God will take care of the rest. I think the class is taking too long. People are getting bored, so we should end the conversation. Thank you so much for having me in your conversation. Goodbye. I was enjoying the conversation, but it's your class. You can make the decision. Goodbye. Hey guys, these were different stages to start conversation and build it up. Don't think too much, guys. Immerse yourself in deep conversation according to the context. Comment me, guys, in the comment section if you really had any conversation with anyone in English. Guys, I usually make contents about learning English and becoming fluent in this language. If you want to watch all my videos, you can simply click on my channel name down below. I explore, you acquire. I believe you have enjoyed this lesson and learned a lot, and you have also learned from the conversation between Ilyas and Muhammad. Guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn contraction, you can simply watch my this video. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep learning, stay safe. Goodbye.